Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learn English. So my dear student, please take out of your My English book 4 and see on the page number 35. Today we are learn a story of Craven Chicken. The sky is falling. Listen carefully this story and then read aloud after me and next. Once there was a dear little chicken called Chicken Licken. She was hopping about a big tree when a leaf fell right on her head. Oh no, the sky is falling, said Chicken Licken, and she started to run. By and by she met Henny Penny. Why are you running, Chicken Licken? The sky is falling and a piece of it fell right on my head. Oh, said Henny Penny, and she too began to run with Chicken Licken. By and by they met Cocky Locky. Why are you running, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny? The sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Oh dear, said Cocky Locky, and he too began to run with them. By and by they met Ducky Lucky. Why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky? The sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Dear me, said Ducky Lucky, and she too began to run with them. By and by they met Goosey Pussy. Why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky? The sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. When Goosey Pussy heard this, she began to run with them without saying a word. By and by they met Foxy Loxy. Why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Pussy? The sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Now, Foxy Loxy was a cunning fellow. Don't worry, he said. I'll take you all to a safe place. He took them all to his cave. Go inside my cave and you will all be safe, he told them. So in went Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Pussy. Ha, Foxy Loxy said. You foolish creatures, I have caught you all. Help! Chicken Licken and her friend began to shout. Doggy dear heard these shots. He ran to the cave. Beware, Foxy Loxy, he shouted. Here I come. And then Foxy Loxy began to run without saying a word. He ran far away.